I think this year's WSIS has been very, very productive and informative. I think that over the past 5 years I've seen how WSIS has expanded under the leadership of the ITU. Lots of wonderful things are happening. Cybersecurity, great progress has been made, and collaboration is visible. Greater visibility has been given to developing countries and to the Middle East. I'm happy to see the TRA participate and Oman participate and India participate. I think that one point I would like to make is that as looking at the MDGs and as the time comes closer to 2012, it's surprising to see that in this whole week's agenda there was no focus or mention on women and ICTs and the empowerment being an MDG 3, it's quite surprising. So I know the Secretary General has made commitments that women are important, and I know that the whole UN system has dedicated lots of resource, but we need to bring civil society here and organizations that are working in this context so that we can have the equal platform and ensure inclusion. One of the things I'd like to recommend and suggest for next year WSIS is that we bring in a special section on policy. I think one of the most important discussions, and over the past 3 years I know I've been highlighting the lack of impact indicators. Countries are making a big investment in ICTs, but they really don't know how it's impacting the people at the grassroots level. We need to know if it's positive or negative. So impact indicators are an important issue, and also policies need to be understood for their effectiveness. Otherwise, it's just a piece of paper that doesn't mean anything. And countries need guidance. And I think the ITU is ideally placed to help with creating effective frameworks of how can we have a policy that is in ICT that is going to touch education, health, and community services, because it spreads over multiple ministries and people are sometimes confused as to how to integrate and interlock these policies to make them effective. Thank you very much.